Welcome, friends. Today we are going to taste the Big Drop Sour.
The Big Drop Sour.
So tell me all about this one.
So as I mentioned in the first segment, you should have seen Johnny the brewer's face when I said, "Good news, Johnny. Everyone wants a sour." If you thought you had it difficult before, try this. He really is difficult, and the reason it's difficult, as I said, is because you can't use the yeast that gives those sour beers the sour taste.
Yeah.
So we are, much the same way with the lactose that goes in. We're compensating, and this we're using particular acids in there. So we've got tartaric acid. Just want to make my way through all of the foreign translations of words that we have in here. There's malic acid, tartaric acid, citric acid, black tea goes in here as well. So we're trying to replicate the flavors that you would find.
So you're building those flavors in a different manner than.
So it's very light, it's very refreshing.
Yeah.
There's a slight tart twist, but as I said, this is not a sour that you drink and think that you're sucking a lemon.
No, but that immediately when you taste it, you know that it's a sour beer.
Yeah, and we went through a few iterations. It was difficult, and this is where we've landed, and we're really, we're very happy with it.
That's a nice summertime sitting on the dock.
Summertime, sitting on the dock, very refreshing.
Yeah.
Bit tart, bit of a twist.
Yeah.
Happy.
And for people who say, "Oh no, I don't like sour beers," this is a good beer.
We call it an entry-level sour.
Yeah.
This is, if you were trying to, personally speaking, I'm not a fan of sour beers.
No?
No. I went to Brussels with my wife for a weekend away, and I'd never really even got into Belgian beer because there's so much beer in the UK.
Yeah.
Hadn't got round to Belgian beer, and went into the hotel, and I'm like, "Oh, Belgian beer. I don't know. A Blue Chimay. Can I have that?"
Yeah.
Blew my mind. I was like, "What's this?" And then my wife was, "Can we go out and see Brussels?" I was like, no, because we need to try the red level. And then there's the Duvel, and then
there's a pub full of beer that I don't know about.
All of that stuff.
Yeah.
I was all over that. And then I said, right. And of course, what they also do really well is the sours. So we went to a famous beer bar for sour beers. Got the beer flight, and both me and my wife, I couldn't even finish them. They're just not my cup of tea at all. So, but that's just personal taste. Whereas I'll happily drink this, because it is at that entry-level end of the spectrum.
That is a good tasting beer.
Well, that's a good start.
Yeah, I like that.
I think it's a good summertime refreshing beer.
That's really cool.
Tasty.
It is tasty.
Plus, I'm also really thirsty.
Thanks for stopping by. See you again soon.
Cheers.